Hello, thank you so much for joining me again today. Today we are in the community of Cane Island, which is located in Katy, Texas. Now, this beauty that we are currently viewing is built by David Weekley. It is called the Kepley. Now, the Kepley is a three-bedroom, 2.5 bath home. The square footage is anywhere between 2,100 square feet all the way up to 2,200 square feet. The starting price is going to be in the high $300,000 range. Now, if you are interested in what schools that this home is zoned to, it is located in Katy ISD, and the schools are going to be Robertson Elementary, Katy Junior High, and Katy High School. Now, if you have not done so already, make sure you hit that like, subscribe, and that bell to be notified of new weekly communities so you could see what Houston Metropolitan has to offer. And if you don't know who I am Linda Blue, your new home consultant, helping you create the ultimate blueprint for all of your real estate needs. Now, remember, make sure you leave a comment below to let me know what you think about this home or any other real estate questions. Have a wonderful and blessed day. Enjoy the rest of this tour.